Hello. There we go. Just make sure everything's okay. So this is the old board that I was sent in a nice little package. So you can see it's all wired in, the little one in there solid. So hooked up as a, it's just a 3-pin, and I think that's a 6-pin. Anyway, I'll go in and plug this in. I'll turn it on. As you can see, it's 2.67 volts, which is way below. I'm trying to get my meter. Doesn't grab too well on these. So it's pretty dang close. So I'll adjust the, if you up the amp, it'll increase the voltage slightly. But I'll adjust the screw for the voltage. I'll turn the amp down. And you can see that the screw is actually being turned. I can get the voltage to go down. You can see it going down. But if you, say, turn it the other way, it maxes out at that. I keep turning, and that's what that gets, and that's what that reads. It's, way below the voltage. So I'm not sure what the problem is.